My name is Barbara Pivorato, and I'm a mass communications major, and I'm in the fast track. So I have probably till next fall with Rochester University for my bachelor's degree. I live in Clio with my husband and my 8-year-old granddaughter and our dogs and chickens and cats. I did the personal media use inventory, and I actually think I probably did pretty good as far as most with the hours that I stay on the internet. Generally about, or media, not just the internet. Media, I'm on about 48 hours. But when I break it down with books, my average hours for books, it's all textbooks. I don't have time for anything else. The newspaper, never read it. Don't have time. Magazines, I kind of feel like they're a waste of money. They're all ads, so I never read them. The radio, I listen sometimes to the radio. We have an Echo Dot, and so every once in a while I'll play music, and sometimes my 8-year-old granddaughter wants to do a dance party, so we'll do that. I don't watch television, and when I do watch television, it's late at night, and it's because it's whatever my husband turned on. And so I have watched Naked and Afraid, or he likes the Rainies, who do that Homestead Rescue. So I'll see that sometimes, but I generally don't watch TV either. I haven't watched a movie in forever. Um, Again, the music, same as the radio, I guess. I pay for Amazon streaming music, and I also pay for SiriusXM. SiriusXM is in my husband's vehicle, so I don't use it. Amazon Music, I pay for it, and we use it on the Echo Dot, but it's usually my grandchildren that use it, not me. We're listening to kids' music. The internet, most of the time if I'm on the internet, it is for it's for school related things. I don't usually use the internet for much else. Sometimes for Amazon, I purchase household things on Amazon quite often and have them delivered. It's just for the convenience. And my big thing would be Pinterest, I guess. And I just kind of scroll through it. It's just got relaxing images and peaceful things, and I feel like it just kind of gives me a break from a busy day. I have Facebook, and I do scroll Facebook. Usually it's to catch up with family and see what's going on in their lives. I have tried to minimize Facebook lately just because it's just so controversial and everybody's arguing, and I don't like watching it. So a little bit about me. I'm at home with my 8-year-old, cleaning and cooking, or I'm at work. I am a restaurant manager, and so that requires a lot of my hours. And then I also have a lot of hours with school. So I've been trying to focus on those things. The house, we have a large house that's just a lot of work to take care of. And then the pets. We have chickens and the dogs. We have 2 puppies. They're Aussies, so they take a lot of my time up trying to train them. I do see where media can be a huge problem. I kind of wish I could use media more, to be honest with you. I love reading books, and usually now I read textbooks and nothing for fun. I do have an app on my phone, however, called Luna. And Luna is something that I use for falling asleep. It's kind of like it narrates, and it's like a coloring book. So it narrates the story, and then you push on the areas where it tells you to color the picture. It's all white in the beginning, and it's usually about 15 to 20 minutes, and you're tired by the time it's over with. They do have an area you can pick to just do relaxing music and sounds. and that will shut off automatically too. So that's kind of nice. And I have used that before, but not usually, because by the time I'm falling asleep, my husband's watching television and I can't hear it anyway. So I usually just go to sleep. I wish I was a little more exciting with media, but I am interested in it. I'm interested in mass communication. I'm interested in how everything works. It's fascinating to me, human nature, and kind of why we're motivated to do the things we do with media. It was nice to meet everyone, and I hope we all have a good semester.